How to order sake. Now there's 6 main types of sake, let's break it down in 1 minute. Basically, you can differentiate the type of sake you're drinking based on 2 factors: how polished the rice grain used to make it is, and whether it's made Junmai or non-Junmai style. Now sake is a fermented Japanese alcoholic drink made from rice grains, and to make sake, the rice grains must first be polished to remove any impurities. If the rice used to make a sake has been polished down to 70% to 60% of its original grain, we call it a Honjozo sake. If it's polished further to 60% to 50%, it's called a Ginjo sake, and if polished even further to 50% of its grain or less, we call it a Daijingo sake. Generally speaking, the more polished, the more delicate, fruity and floral the sake flavors are. The less polished, the more full-bodied the sake with earthier, spicier flavors. The second thing to know is that when making sake, in addition to rice, koji, yeast and water, neutral brewer's alcohol is sometimes also added. This may be done to fine-tune the flavors and aromas of the sake. If, however, no distilled alcohol is added, then the sake would fall under the category of Junmai sake, meaning pure rice sake. In such cases, the term Junmai would be added as a prefix on bottle labels. For example, a sake with rice polished to 50% of its grain or less, with alcohol added, is called a Daijinjo sake. But without alcohol, it's called a Junmai Daijinjo sake. The same would be the case for Ginjo and Junmai Ginjo sakes. The one exception is Honjozo. When sake is made from rice polished to 70% of its grain but has no distillers alcohol added, you would simply call it Junmai. And so now you know. Be sure to follow to learn more about sake and other spirits.